Important one-liner of February 2023, Part 1. Reliance Retail has become the first Indian retailer to introduce central bank digital currency, also known as the digital rupee. India's first frozen lake marathon will be organized in Pangong Tso, Ladakh. Kerala has become the first state in the country to use robotic technology to clean all its commissioned manholes. MobiKwik has become the first fintech application to support RuPay credit cards on UPI. Mobicule has launched the industry's first asset repossession solution for banks and NBFCs named M-Collect Repossession Module. GOBP has launched E20 petrol and became one of the first fuel retailers in India to make E20 blended petrol available. Aim is to reduce the country's oil import cost, energy security, lower carbon emission, and better air quality, among others. Ebix Cash Limited has become the first company in India to launch and enable Unified Payments Interface (UPI) transactions for foreign nationals visiting India. Union Minister Jitendra Singh has inaugurated International Conference on Biotechnology for the first time since independence in Northeast region. The theme is Reimagine Ethnopharmacology, Globalization of Traditional Medicine. You can buy full-month PDF. Link given in the description. Subscribe for more.